My dear, so this is Ujjwal Kumar Sen, and today what I'm going to share with you, which is really important. One thing you should learn in your entire life. As soon as you learn that one thing, your efficiency, your living standard, your status, your thinking level, your vision, and whatever you wanted to get in your life, the probability of getting that thing will be much better, much more, right? So what is that one thing, and how to develop that one thing in you? So what's that? Maybe you are thinking, tell us why you are taking so much time to to tell you people that one thing. What's that? That is how to talk with people. Yes, once we'll come to know how to talk, then what will happen? Whatever you wanted to get in your life, you can easily get that thing. Now, most important thing is that, okay, till now we come to know what you have to learn first, that one thing, that is how to talk, but how you can able to learn it. So the key concept is here. If you wanted to talk better, you should have better content in your mind. And how you are going to get better content, better things, better concepts, better results, better statistics, better analysis, better experimental things in your mind? How? From reading, from experimenting, from discussing, from attending conferences. In one word you can say that, from your experience. So for this, what you have to do as a student, you have to read a lot of books, journals, not only those books, what books you are having in your syllabus. You have to go beyond your syllabus. Well, just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. I will show you something, what books these days I am reading. That's why you'll get key concept or key inside information. So wait, just let me bring those books in front of you. Alright, so wait for a few seconds. I'm coming back. Alright, I'm so sorry to keep you waiting. So all these books I am reading these days. Let me show you one by one. That's why you'll get all this, right? So this is the book. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the book, and this book I'm reading. I can't see. I have book you can see right now. Okay, so these are the books. So here are 4 new books. Alright, these are 4 books, 5 books, and few books I've already given to my friends, or those know me to read. Those I have already read, right? So these are all these books I have been reading from couple of years right now. Yeah. Besides this, I have a few more books. Those has been written by few good writers, right? Okay, no problem. So I hope you got the point what I am wanted to make you understand. So most important thing is that you need to read a lot of books, even those are not in your syllabus. So in this way, what will happen? You will have better content. And most of the top rated people, the CEOs of the companies, those guys do not stop one thing, that is what learning. And from where they have learned, from reading others' books. So remember, I'm not telling you don't read your core study books. Of course, read those books. But I'm telling you to read all these books. That's why there will be something different in your mind. That's why whenever you will go for working for any company, when your practical application of your knowledge will start, you can perform much better. Because what we read, most of the time we do not get such things in the company. We have to learn a lot of things in the company, right? Okay, if you're going for teaching profession, then maybe what you are reading, you will get all those things, and you have to teach students almost the same things. But other than teaching profession, if you are going for software industry, if you are going for mechanical automobile industry, you will see the industry is changing, keep on changing day by day. So with the change, the industry changing, as the industry changing, so you have to change yourself in order to be there and to see the growth you wanted to see in your life. Alright my dear, I hope you got some inside information from this video tutorial, and yeah, as you have requested me to create videos in English, so I have decided, so whatever videos I'll upload, I will try to make in English as well as in Hindi few more videos. So if you want to get this copy, the idea of this copy, this video, if you want to get in Hindi, then do comment below. I'll try to create the same video related to this idea. Alright, so thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Now what you have to do, you have to do 4 things. What's that? What are those things? You have to click on like button, you have to click on subscribe button. By the way, you haven't subscribed, then only, and of course don't forget to click on bell icon and comment below what you like about this video tutorial, and of course don't forget to share this video with your friends. Well, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.